everyone. So in this lesson, we will discuss the instructional design using the problem-based learning. So let us start by defining what is problem-based learning. So problem-based learning, or PBL, is a student-centered instructional approach where learning begins with a real-life problem. Students work collaboratively to analyze the problem, identify what they need to learn, and research problem solutions, then apply knowledge to resolve the issue. So unlike the traditional teaching where information is delivered, PBL allows students to learn active engagement, critical thinking, and lifelong learning skills. So now let us have the other discussants to discuss furthermore about this.
Good morning, everyone. So here is my assigned topic: Origin and Educational Foundations. Problem-based learning originated in 1960s at McMaster University's Medical School in Canada as a response to passive lecture-based instruction. PBL is grounded in constructivist learning theory, which emphasizes that learners actively construct knowledge through experiences. It also linked to inquiry-based learning, where questioning, investigation, and reflection are central to learning.
Core characteristics of PBL focus on making students active participants in their own learning. First, learning starts with real and meaningful problems taken from real-life situations. These problems make learning relevant and help students connect classroom lessons to real-world experiences. Second, students take responsibility for their own learning. Instead of being given all the information by the teacher, learners identify what they already know, what they need to learn, and how they can find the needed information. This develops independence, critical thinking, and lifelong learning skills. Third, collaboration is essential in PBL. Students work in groups to analyze problems, share ideas, research solutions, and make decisions together. Through teamwork, they improve communication skills, respect different perspectives, and learn how to solve problems collectively. Lastly, the teacher acts as a facilitator rather than a lecturer. The teacher guides discussions, asks probing questions, monitors progress, and provides feedback, but does not directly give answers. This role encourages students to think deeply and take ownership of their learning process. Overall, these characteristics make PBL an effective approach in developing problem-solving, collaboration, and real-world skills.
Project-based learning follows a structured cycle that begins with the real-world problems and ends with reflection. This cycle helps students develop critical thinking, collaborations, creativity, and problem-solving skills. First, problem presentations. The teacher introduces a meaningful real-world problem or challenge. This problem serves as a foundation of the projects and motivates students to learn and investigate. Teacher's role: presents the problem clearly and spark curiosity. Inquiry and planning. Students' questions brainstorm ideas and plan how they will solve the problem. They identify what they already know and what they still need to learn. The teacher's role: guide students in forming questions, setting goals, and organizing their plan. Is research and investigations. Students gather information through research, experiments, interviews, or data collection. They explore resources to build understanding and develop solutions. The teacher's role is to support research, recommend resources, and monitor progress. Fourth is creation and development of solutions. Students apply what they learn to create a product, presentations, or solutions that addresses the problem. The teacher's role is to provide feedback, encourage improvement, and ensure learning goals are met. Citations and sharing. Students present their work to classmates, teachers, or community members. They explain their process findings and final output. The teacher's role is to facilitate presentations and encourage communication skills, reflections, and evaluations. Students reflect on what they learned, the challenges they face, and how they work as a team. They evaluate both the process and the final product. The teacher's role is to lead reflections, assess learning outcomes, and guide improvement. The teacher's guiding role in PBL is to design meaningful problems, guides inquiry without giving direct solutions, supports collaborations and teamwork, monitors students' progress, provides feedback and scaffolding, encourages reflections and deeper thinking.
Good morning, everyone. So my assigned topic is all about lesson integration application in TLE. Problem scenario: a small school canteen is experiencing frequent food spoilage, resulting in financial loss and health risk. Learning objectives: identify causes of food contamination, apply proper food safety and sanitation practices, propose cost-effective solutions to reduce spoilage, and student task: analyze the problem in group, research food safety standards and proper storage, design a simple food safety plan for the canteen, present recommendation and solution. Assessment and reflection: rubric-based evaluation of group solution, peer assessment and teacher feedback, student reflection on what they learned and how they solved the problem. Role of technology in PBL. Technology support PBL by enhancing research, collaboration, documentation, and presentation, digital tools such as Google Docs, online research platforms, presentation of software, and video tools help students gather information, work collaboratively, documentation findings, and present solutions effectively. Technology also makes learning more engaging and reflective of real-world practices. And that's all. Thank you.